song, but brand new dance. I wear out my third second chance.
Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I'm Hesti and in today's video we are at Avasa Hotel. I don't know if you have recognized it yet, but I'm making a whole new playlist about different hotels in Yazd. So if you want to travel to Yazd, you don't have to worry about choosing the right hotel and these kind of things. And yes, let's go, let's check it out, come on.
But I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side. You and I break our hearts open in half just to see if we'll put them back.
Nice. Here we have a samovar. We headed in where we are? Narenjestan house, I guess. Yes, Narenjestan house.
It's you and I.
Okay, this part is called Narenjestan. You know, it's different. Yeah, I like it. It's so cool.
We go back and forth every time, waiting for one of us to cross the line. You got me and I got you.
A little bit dark, but hi. Even at hotels, you will find the stairs.
They like to say we're just young.
I like it, you know, especially this one. It's so beautiful.
Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find the reason.
This one is the best room. We have one bed in here and another over there. And I like it so much, you know, it's kind of colorful and I really like it. The rooms have names, and this one, for example, is hot. You know, their names is one of instruments. This one is harp. This one is chogur. Chogur. I think it's Persian. Yeah, one of Persian instruments, and it was so cool. I liked it. Guys, takche. We have a lot of takche in here. We go down to go up. That's it.
We don't have to meet at the bar getting drinks.
Okay, just to know, this hotel has 26 rooms, I guess, and yeah. Just for your knowledge.
This doesn't have to be the night of fun and then we leave. Oh, I wanna make it last with you. Yeah, let's talk, not just touch. Tell me what scares you most. What's your favorite song? Do you think we're alone? Yeah, let's talk, not just touch. Tell me what moves you most. What's your favorite film? Would you quit being alone?
Let's go for the restaurant. Unbelievable. You know, I didn't expect this. For real. So lovely. Another samovar.
We don't have to keep it going by tapping screens. We don't have to fit with the trend of pretend.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, click that subscribe button, leave me a comment, ask me any questions. You know, feel free to ask me any questions, guys. I will answer them. And love you all. See you later. Bye.
What moves you most? What's your